Hey guys! Today we're going to talk about the top 10 Mongolian volunteering activities that you should be a part of. 1. Teaching assistant in urban districts. The volunteering project is located in Bayanzorkh district in the outskirts of Ulaanbaatar, and the beneficiaries/kids love meeting people from overseas and learning about different cultures. Teachers are always welcome no matter whether they have experience teaching or not, and can make a very significant contribution, as the objective of this volunteer project is to help those living in poor areas of Ulaanbaatar to grow their confidence and gather educational support. For more information, check out the website volunteerworld.com. 2. Rural health care education. The Healthcare Education Project aims to help provide basic healthcare education and awareness and to conduct health campaigns and checks. Volunteers with no experience are needed for educating people, and especially children, in the areas of basic first aid and personal hygiene habits such as washing hands, brushing teeth, and general cleanliness. 3. Wild Tech Research and Innovation. This research project aims to have volunteers to work along with wildlife researchers and biologists in Mongolia, as the volunteers can help with collecting data and information on one of the most rarest and endangered species of horses/the wild tech, and etc. 4. Restoration and Renovation Placement Project. This project aims to build and renovate buildings that are essential for the growth and development of the local community. It allows volunteers to travel to remote villages and assist with setting UB basic infrastructure facilities. This project's objectives involve contributions to improving living conditions for local families, as the volunteers can help build schools, facilities, and etc. 5. Volunteers for Peace in Mongolia. Volunteers for Peace is a non-profit organization that offers placement in over 3,000 voluntary service projects in more than 100 countries. VVP offers services projects that arise from a grassroots, community-based need for adults, teens, seniors, families, and groups. Volunteers can choose between short-term projects, also known as work camps, where volunteers from 4 or more countries come together for a 2 to 3 week service project, or individual service adventure and gap year projects, also known as medium-term or permanent projects, involve working with VVP to create a personalized 2-week to 1-year experience. For more info, check out the website gooverseas.com. 6. Volunteer as an English teacher. The objective of this volunteer project revolves around the volunteers teaching practical English to help children experiencing correct pronunciation and help teach kids grade 3 to 12. If you're interested in staying for over 2 weeks teaching kids English, this is the right project for you. For more information, check out worldpackers.com. 7. Rural Healthcare Education. This Rural Healthcare Education project aims to help provide basic healthcare education and awareness to conduct health campaigns and health checks. This volunteering project is suitable for both established medical and healthcare professionals, as well as those interested in teaching basic first aid and hygiene. 8. Sports Coach Volunteer Project. The Sports Coach Volunteering Project aims to bring in volunteers who can contribute their sporting skills to train young children to develop physical fitness, learn new sports, and etc. Volunteers from all over the world are welcome to come here and help Mongolian kids develop physically, build their confidence whilst traveling throughout the city of Ulaanbaatar. 9. AISEC Mongolia. This non-profit youth organization is focused on providing a platform for youth leadership development through volunteer and internship abroad experiences. Their Facebook page has many useful project links, as well as up-to-date information on upcoming volunteer possibilities that anyone can be a part of. 10. Volunteer in Mongolia with a Broader View Volunteers is a non-profit charity organization that is based in the capital city of Ulaanbaatar. The volunteers can choose from 5 projects with placements of 1 to 8 week length. The volunteer programs provide a safe, enriching experience working in a community, hospital, babies, orphanage, special education, midwifery program, medical elective, and etc. For more information, check out the website abroadreview.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.